In the first video, we covered tips to get you started even if you don't have any experience or ideas. Now, if you didn't watch it, go back and check it out. Today we're going to talk about the top 3 most effective tools for effective writing and publishing and the next steps you'll need to know about. Now this video is going to be short because I want you to spend most of your time today completing today's task. It's going to be a big one, but pretty easy to do. So if you want to improve your writing and publish easily, these next 3, they're going to be golden for you, okay? The first is the Hemingway app. Now this app is internet based and it's a godsend. It's going to help you hone your writing skills and realize when you're using more of one thing or another. Now, it's going to cover things like readability, what grade level it's on, and more. It also tells you when a sentence is hard to read or it doesn't make sense. Now, in my opinion, they should be charging for this tool because it's awesome. And if I didn't mention, this tool is absolutely free. And this app is going to improve your writing skills drastically. You can even use it to create better ad copy or really anything else that you want to write. Now, do you want to know the best place to self-publish your book everywhere? So, the best way to get your book everywhere is bookbaby.com, hands down. Now, Bookbaby allows anyone to get their book out to the world, and it covers all the main outlets, plus about 50 other online retailers. It includes Amazon, Barnes & Noble, online, and the iBookstore. Now, there's no one else who gets you in all these places at once. And they get your book with all the major wholesale retailers out there like Ingram's and Sparks, Overdrive, and Baker & Taylor. Now, you can publish, promote, and sell your book even without a website. They also do book cover design. They have editing services. They even have print-on-demand services. So when someone orders your book in print, they print it and ship it without you ever having to touch anything. If I were you, I would check out their complete self-publishing package. They even do print books if you want to get yours printed. Now, Bookbaby even has an exclusive deal with Amazon KDP Publishing to make it super easy to publish. Honestly, there's no better tool where you can get everything done for your book. Now, let's talk about Grammarly. I just recently kind of started messing with Grammarly, and there's not much to say about it except that it's freaking awesome. It took me literally 3 minutes to sign up for free. Now, there's a Google Chrome extension. It's even quicker to get started. And it helps you with grammar, it helps you with punctuation and more. Now, it's a bit more detailed than the Hemingway app, but here's my advice. My advice is to write your material, run it through Grammarly for spelling and punctuation and repeated words, and then copy and paste it into the page on the Hemingway app, and that's going to drastically improve the quality of your writing. Now, if you're using Grammarly, all you have to do is hover over a word or a phrase, and Grammarly will give you a suggestion which you can click on to make the change. And after correcting your spelling and grammar, running it through the Hemingway app is just going to enhance it that much more. Now, I guarantee you, once you start using these tools, you will love them as much as I do. You can also just write it in Microsoft Word if you don't have anything else, because Bookbaby converts all the files for you. Now, let's cover the quick steps and review. It's on page 16 in your guide. This is where we're going to fill in the blanks in your guide. Number 1, use the Hemingway app to increase your writing skills for each topic after you transcribe it. Number 2, the best way and the only tool you need to get your book everywhere is bookbaby.com, and I just told you why. Number 3, you want to get your manuscript ready in Microsoft Word or Pages if you're on a Mac, and you can run it through the Grammarly app, then the Hemingway app. Now, on page 16, this is going to be your task today, and this task is probably the most important. So you remember those main topic and the subtopics that you wrote down in video 1? I want you to record on all those topics. Don't edit. I want you to speak freely and remember not to force it. Now, if you only get about 1 minute's worth of material, that's fine. Move on to the next thing. But I want you to aim for 2 to 3 minutes or more on each topic. And there's going to be some guidelines to help you remember this in the guide. But for now, thanks for joining me in Books from Scratch. See you tomorrow.